Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Terminal, type a quick check to learn your environment. Run which ZSH and echo $shell to confirm your shell and unaim it to see system info. If Homebrew is missing, install it now, it unlocks essential packages. Make sure to follow the installer prompts and add brew to your path when asked. Once done, verify with brew version. This first setup saves time and prevents permission issues later on. You now learn the core workflow. Navigate with CD, list files with lsla, and confirm location with pwd. Use tab completion to speed typing. When a script needs execution, chmod plus x script. sh and run it. Change ownership with chown user, staff file when appropriate, and use sudo cautiously. Install developer tools with brew install git wget htop, then configure git with git config global user, name and user. Email so commits carry your identity. This middle phase builds a safe, repeatable environment. You finish by personalizing the shell, edit /, ZSHRC or /. Bash profile to add aliases, path exports, and prompt tweaks so commands become faster. After editing, source /. ZSHRC to apply changes immediately. Restart terminal if behavior persists. If something breaks, check permissions, path, and relevant logs. Echo $path reveals missing binaries. When deeper inspection is required, use lsof or sudo dtrus on the failing process. One key troubleshooting tip: undo recent path.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.